What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, with the lack of news that we've seen within Terra Luna Classic, yes, we have a couple of things that are happening here and there. Nothing that's 100% concrete, nothing that's 100% that is happening. Different things that are in progress, like the buy button. We want to see that happen. That's obviously huge news, but it's more speculative than anything because I'm getting reached out to by people, but we're not seeing a urgency to developing that, to launching it, to getting it out for the investors to really utilize, or even get the information out and create the hype around it. We're not seeing much that's there. So with the lack of news, um, the main interest, I would say, is around what's going to happen in March. If you don't know what March is, basically Binance has set its burns back. Instead of seeing the Terra Luna Classic burns where you would burn 0.1%, the fees that they have that go through Terra Luna Classic, and they burned it weekly. They changed it to monthly, and then now it's basically quarterly, right? You see it in 3 months. They're looking to burn this off, which is going to be in March, right? And so, seeing that you are going to have a burn in March, people are wondering how much that burn's going to be. Obviously, with the different changes, Binance comes out and says, look, I'm not going to support these burns. We're going to burn like 50%, or maybe not burn anything, because I'm not supporting the overall chain. I'm trying to burn Terra Luna Classic to support the investors and what the investors wanted. I'm not sending the money over to you so that you end up taking that money and reminting Terra Luna Classic. So obviously that's off the table. We're focused on the burns and how much the burns do impact the overall price, because as we're seeing everything in the market, not really look too great. And with Terra Luna Classic, all of the news that's being, any news that could be launched, or any type of, rumors that we do have, anything, is not creating hype for Terra Luna Classic. We're not seeing a push for Terra Luna Classic. However, the burns tend to do something different. Anytime we see a burn, it's like a 10%, 20%, 30% rise in the overall position, because people are like, oh, well, they're burning off Terra Luna Classic. It has a higher ceiling at this moment. If they're burning off, 6 million or 10 million, we now have a higher ceiling for Terra Luna Classic. We now can get to a higher price. So that's phenomenal. So with that being said, all of the focus is really around the burns and what the burns are going to be. So Binance has come out. Hey, let's take a second to look at where Terra Luna Classic is right now, and then we'll get into the whole Binance news supporting the upgrade and different burns and stuff like that. So, anyways, currently we're at 0.0001664. We're actually up 3% today. Everything else is not really up that much, but you're seeing Terra Luna Classic up 3%. It is still at 1664, and we've been hovering around 17 for a while, so technically is down for where it has been hovering. We saw this at a low of 1595 as the entire crypto market came back because of the whole Kraken settlement and different detail that's happening there. We are still below the $1 billion market cap, adding $986 million market cap. Fully diluted is 1.1 billion. Volume, we're seeing that down by 21%, even though the price is up. It's at $95 million. And obviously, the main character within this play for me is the circulating supply and max supply, and how we can decrease that oversupply, sitting at about 5.9 trillion, total supply of 6.87 trillion. Now, the difference between the total supply and the circulating supply is the amount that's staked. So you will see that, and anything that you do see that comes off the circulating supply for burns will also come off the total supply for burns, obviously. But anyways, let's take a look at what's happening with the whole Binance situation. So if you didn't know, Binance is supporting the Terra Luna Classic upgrade and will start the bull run. And I think, will it start the bull run? I believe that we will start bullish momentum for Terra Luna Classic because of what will happen based on not only this upgrade, but also what Binance is going to do, because Binance is going to set to burn Terra Luna Classic. Now, the world's largest cryptocurrency, Binance, on Monday announced support for Terra Luna Classic upgrade. The Terra Luna Classic network upgrade will happen at block 11,543,150, expected on February 14th. The upgrade is a proposal, or is a part of proposal 11310 by the joint L1 Task Force Developer Group led by Professor Edward Kim, aiming to upgrade the chain from V.0.4 to V1.0.5. Binance announces support for Terra Classic software upgrade. According to the official announcement on February 6th, Binance will support Terra Classic blockchain upgrade to V1.0.4 to V1.0.5. At block height 11,543,150. The required block height is expected to reach February 14th, with the current block height being 11,416,500. Binance will suspend Luna token deposits and withdrawals starting from Terra Classic block height 11,541,520. The deposits and withdrawals will resume once the Terra Classic network becomes stable after the upgrade. Notably, the trading of Terra Classic tokens or coins, they're coins, will not affect during the will not be affected during the network upgrade. Binance commits to handling all technical requirements for all users holding LUNC in their Binance accounts. The community passed the proposal 11.3.10 by core developer Edward Kim last week. Upgrade to the blockchain to V1.0.4 or .5. It will make transaction fees, gas, and burn tax estimate and the future chain upgrade a lot easier and smoother. Edward Kim refers to the upgrade as the most important change, as per the description in GitHub. In fact, this is the first upgrade for the Terra Classic blockchain, as per the joint L1 Task Force Q1 roadmap. It will be followed by V1.0.6. Cosmos SDK Tendermint, and V2.0.4 upgrades. Interestingly, I can't say that word. Interestingly, there we go. It will bring back the Binance Lunic burn mechanism. The upgrade will enable developers to make the necessary changes requested by Binance to continue burning Lunic for March and onward. So obviously, that's where we can see the real breakdown of this, right? The burn that Binance is going to do. So if we see 100%, if we see the normal level of burns, we should expect somewhere around, right? If we're seeing 3 months at around 6 to 7 billion, I hope that it's more than that, but we haven't really seen a crazy amount of volume. We've seen volume in the last maybe week or so, where we saw things in the 500 million to 200 million to 300 million range, right? So you're seeing a little bit more volume, and I'm sure a lot of that does go through Binance as well. So maybe we could see more than the 6 or 7 billion, but if we wanted to be kind of conservative, let's just say we are at 6 billion. So for 3 months, we should see somewhere around 18 billion that's going to burn off. Now, I know a lot of people will be like, that's not a lot compared to, the total amount. It is sort of a decent amount. It could be a lot more if we had a burn tax associated with it. Seeing a 1.2% burn tax, I would love to see that again. I would love to give up 1.2 if everybody was giving up 1.2. But we'll see. I think 18 is the level. It's either above or below 18, and that's kind of that level. Where we're either making it or breaking it, right? Either way, I think it's going to create a positive move to the overall position, but it just depends how positive. If it's above that 18 mark, I think we can see a pretty decent size move, especially just waiting for these burns to happen for 3 months. Maybe we can see some other burns that come on with it, right? People that decide to burn with Binance. Could be the case. I burn every time I get my rewards from from station. When I'm staking, I get my rewards. I take 10% of my rewards and burn it off. It's not a life-changing amount, but it is something. And if everybody decided to do it, we can also burn a little bit more. Maybe we can make that a burn day for everyone. If somebody wants to collect the rewards, or we want to wait until March 1st to collect our rewards and burn 10% of our rewards with Binance doing their burns, that could be something big. Maybe we ought to look into that. But anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, definitely do that. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.